In today's maths video, we are going to learn about addition of three two-digit numbers. Before getting into the topic, we have a quick recall of few concepts. Make 10 using two single-digit number. Children, making a 10 combination, you have to memorize this because this will help us to do the addition in easy way. 1 plus 9 gives 10, 2 plus 8 gives 10, 3 plus 7 gives 10, 4 plus 6 gives 10, 5 plus 5 gives 10. Just memorize all this addition table, children, because this will help us in doing the addition in easy way. Let us recall the concept add with 10. Children, this concept is very important to do the addition in easy way. 10 plus 5. See here, I arrange the 10 plus 5 one below the other according to their places. See here, ones place. First add the ones place. 0 plus 5 gives the same number 5. And 1 is added with nothing, so it will be 1. So when you add 10 with a single digit number, the single digit number will come as it is and 1. So this concept you have to by God, children, without arranging and adding the number like this, you have to do in the mind. 6 plus 10 gives what? 16. 10 plus 9 gives what? 19. 7 plus 10 gives what? 17. 10 plus 3 gives what? 13. See here, children, 6 means it becomes a 16. 9 means 19. 7 means 17. 3 means 13. Let's practice few examples, some children. Adding three single digit numbers. Children, when we add a three single digit number, first we need to look which two number add up to give a 10 and then add the third number. I will repeat it again, children. When we add three single digit number, first we need to check which two number add up to give a 10 and then add the third number. In adding a three single digit number, step 1, add the ones. In ones place, we have 8 ones, 2 ones and 6 ones. 8 ones plus 2 ones and 6 ones. Don't add all the three numbers, children. First, we need to find the combination of two numbers which give a 10. Which two numbers gives a 10? Think. I will teach you one small trick how to find the combination of 10. See here, in this 8 ones, 2 ones, 6 ones. Which is the biggest number? 8 is the biggest number. Think what should be added with 8 to give a 10? Yes, you all are correct. 8 ones plus 2 ones gives what? 10 ones. 8 plus 2 gives a 10. 10 will be added with the third number 6. 10 plus 6 gives us 16. Why we are adding like this, children? Because adding with a 10 is very easy and making a combination of 10 also is easy. In last video we learned make a 10. How to make a 10 we learned in the last video, no children? So use that in this addition of three single digit number. So 8 plus 2 gives a 10 and 10 should be added with the third number 6. So 10 plus 6 gives us 16. 16 is a two-digit number. So we need to regroup. While regrouping a 16 ones, first what we have to do? First take the 10 out from the 16. Take the 10 ones. Take the 10 ones and remaining is a 6 ones. When 10 ones put together, it make a 110 and 6 ones. In ones place, write the 6. In 10 place, write the 1. So in ones column, write the 6. Write the 6. And make another column 10 and write the 1 in the answer place. Here no add, so write the 1 in the answer place. Write 6 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. After writing the ones and tens column answer, write the final answer. The answer of addition is called as a sum. So sum of all the three single digit number is equal to 16. Let us see the second example sum, children. In this we have a 3 single digit number. We need to add a 3 single digit number. Step 1. Add the ones. In ones place we have 5 ones, 5 ones and 4 ones. 5 ones plus 5 ones plus 4 ones. Which two number put together gives a 10? Think, children. Which is the biggest number? Yes, both the number are the biggest number. So 5 ones plus 5 ones put together gives what? 10. When you combine 5 plus 5 gives a 10, and 10 should be added with the third number 4. So 10 plus 4 gives what? 14. 14 ones. 14 is a 2-digit number. So we need to regroup. So regroup 14 ones. How you'll regroup 14 ones? You have to take the first 10 ones out. Take the 10 ones. 10 ones, the remaining will be in 14. If you take the 10 ones, the remaining will be what? 4 ones. 10 ones put together make what? 110. So we got 4 ones and 110. So write 4 in the ones column and 1 in the make a tens column, and write 1 in the tens column. Here no add in, so write in the answer place. So the answer of addition is called as a sum. So sum of 3 single digit number of this 3 single digit number is what? 14. Let us see the third example sum, children. Addition of 3 single digit numbers. In this we have 1 ones, 9 ones and 7 ones. We are going to add this in mind without using a working column, children. See here we have a 3 single digit number. Think which two number put together gives a 10. So for that we have to think which is the biggest number. See here which is the biggest number. Yes, 9 is the biggest number. So with a 9, if you add a 1, you will get a 10. Yes, no, children? Yes, you are correct. So 9 plus 1 gives a 10. So 10 plus third number, if you add the third number with a 10, you will get a 10 plus 7 gives what? 17. So we got a 17 ones. 17 ones is a 2-digit number. So we need to regroup. In 17 ones, when you regroup, first take the 10 ones out. When you take the 10 ones from 17 ones, the remaining will be 7 ones. When you put 10 ones, put together it make a 110 and 7 ones. So 17 ones we got 110 and 7 ones. Write 7 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. Therefore, sum equal to 17. Let us see another topic, adding 3 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Here in the first example, we have a 2-digit numbers, 3 2-digit numbers. Step 1. In addition, first step, what is the first step, children? We have to add the ones place. Step 1. Add the ones. In ones place, we have 4 ones, 6 ones and 8 ones. 4 ones plus 6 ones and 8 ones. Here, while adding a 3-digit number, you all know that first we need to find which two numbers put together make a 10. Which number make a 10? Think, children, which is the biggest number? Yes, 8. 8 plus 6 make a 10? No. 8 plus 4 make a 10? No. So, 8 is the biggest number, but it doesn't make a 10 with other number. So, we need to check for the next biggest number. What is the next biggest number? 6. So, 6 plus 4 make a 10? Yes. So, 6 plus 4 make a 10. 4 plus gives 10. 10 plus 8, add the 10 with the third number 8. So, 10 plus 8 gives 18. 18 is a 2-digit number, so we need to regroup. 18 ones. In 18 ones, first take the 10 ones out, and the remaining will be 8 ones. 10 ones put together make what? 110 and 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column and 1 as a carryover in the tens column. After adding the ones column, step 2, add the tens. In tens column, we have 110, 2 tens, 3 tens and 2 tens. 110 plus 2 tens, 3 tens plus 2 tens gives 8 tens. 8 is a single digit number, so no need of regrouping. So write 8 in the tens column. Write 8 in the tens column. Therefore, sum equal to 88. Let us see another example, children. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers. Step 1. Add the ones. In ones column we have 4 ones, 7 ones and 8 ones. 4 ones plus 7 ones plus 8 ones. Adding a 3-digit number. First what we need to check, which two number make a 10. Which two number make a 10? Think, children. 8 is the biggest number. 8 plus 4 make a 10? No. 7 plus 4 make a 10? No. So in this, the number doesn't make a 10. So what we need to do? We need to do a normal addition. 4 ones plus 7 ones plus 8 ones gives 19 ones. 19 is a two-digit number. So we need to regroup. In 19 ones, first take the 10 ones out. Because 10 ones make a 110. And remaining will be 9 ones. So write 9 in the ones column. 9 in the ones column and write 1 as a carryover in the tens column. After adding the ones column, step 2, add the tens. In tens column we have 1 10, 2 tens, 4 tens and 2 tens. 1 10 plus 2 tens, 4 tens plus 2 tens give 9 tens. 9 is a single digit number, so no need of regrouping. So write 9 in the tens column. Therefore, sum equal to 99. Children, I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.